it is Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my personal nail care routine that I use after I remove dip powder. Now this routine is good for when you remove acrylics or gels or anything like that, because it's specifically something that I do after I use a lot of pure acetone. And the one thing in common with acrylics, gels, and dip powder is you usually have to use pure acetone to remove it. And pure acetone is very drying to your skin and nails, so we need a little rehab. So I'm going to show you what I do to restore my nails. Let's get started. Alright, I've just removed all of my dip powder and I actually made a video about it. I'll link it up in the cards if you want to see it. But yeah, my nails are very dry and so is my skin. If you've ever used acetone to remove gel, acrylics, or dip powder, you know what I mean. So let's get started. Well, actually not quite. For me, after I remove my dip powder, and then intend soaking with acetone, my hands are like pruny and I don't really want to soak them with DIY nail soaks like I do. So all I do is wash my hands because they smell like acetone, and then I just apply my favorite moisturizer, which is olive oil. All of my nail care routines, I love doing DIY nail soaks with lemons and stuff like that, but the day that I remove my dip powder, I've already soaked my nails in acetone, so I don't want to turn around and go soak them in, my DIY nail soak, because for me, that's like too much soaking. So I go ahead and I just add some olive oil or whatever moisturizer you want to your nails, and then I just moisturize them throughout the day. Then the next day, I start my nail care routine. So I grab 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and I just have it in this like measuring glass that's like microwave safe, and I'm gonna go ahead and heat that in the microwave for 30 seconds, set it aside, and then I'm gonna grab a green tea bag. Now I kind of like the ones at Walmart, the cheap green tea bags at Walmart, but I couldn't find it. Like, Walmart didn't have them anymore, so I just grabbed this green tea with like lemon and stuff. So yeah, I just take one of those, and then after the water is heated up, I'm just gonna put the tea bag right down in it. Green tea helps strengthen your nails, and also it removes yellow staining. So yeah, I love using green tea in DIY nail sticks. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set this aside and let it cool, and then I'm gonna grab a lemon, and then I'm gonna take my knife and cut the lemon in half, because I'm only gonna use 1/2 of the lemon. I don't need more than that, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in half. Now you definitely want to be careful at this part because you're using a sharp utensil. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take one of the lemon half, and I'm just gonna squeeze it in this bowl. This is the bowl that I want to soak my nails in. You can also use a juicer to juice your lemon and then put the lemon juice in this bowl. But I don't even know where a juicer is, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just squeeze the lemon and get the lemon juice into the bowl. And either way, just get the lemon juice into the bowl. Alright, there we go. I squeezed the lemon and we got I don't know how much lemon comes from 1/2 of a lemon. I don't know, but I use 1/2 of the lemon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my green tea because it's cool now, and as you can see, it has turned the water into green tea. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that, and there we go. I have other videos on DIY nail soaks. If you want to check them out, I'll link them up in the cards, but this soak is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and soak my nails for about 15 to 20 minutes. I think right here I soaked them for 20 minutes. Alright, I guess why my nails are soaking, I guess we can talk. Well, I guess this is a video and you can't really talk back to me, but you can, leave some comments in the comment section. But have you ever noticed if you're voiceovering on a like laptop or computer and you're using like a mouse, and then you stop it and then you listen to it like what you just voiceovered, and you can hear the little mouse clicks in the background, and then you have to cut out the mouse clicks? Yeah, it's not funny. Come on, somebody's gotta get mouse clicks in the voiceover. I'm not just the only one, right? And gotta cut them out later. Nah, I can't be the only one. Alright, after a quick little story there, after 20 minutes of soaking, here's my nails, and they already feel so much more hydrated. Definitely, DIY nail soaks is the way to go if you want to hydrate your skin and nails. Alright, moving on to the next step, I'm going to go ahead and apply my garlic infused base coat that I made, and if you want to learn how to make your own DIY garlic base coat, I'll link a video up in the cards, but I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my nails. Now usually after my DIY nail soak, I'll just put some olive oil on my nails, call it a day, but I did this DIY nail soak pretty early in the day and I still got a lot of work to do, which involves washing my hands, maybe washing dishes, or just something, going throughout your day. So I definitely want to protect my nails from any kind of soap or anything that I do, so I'm going to go ahead and apply my garlic base coat.
I've been using this garlic base coat for a little while now, and I have seen a difference in my nails, so that is exciting, but you know, it's not surprising because garlic's just great for your nails. Alright, this is the last step of my nail care routine, is where I apply olive oil, but I actually forgot to film it, so just pretend that I'm applying olive oil right now. And moisturizing your nails is so important, so make sure you always do that on a daily basis. Okay, here is a before shot of my nails before my nail care routine, and here is after. I definitely recommend this nail care routine if your nails and your skin is dry from like acetone, or if you just got brittle nails or something like that, because it is a great way to rehydrate them and you protect them, and then you know, you moisturize them. It's great. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you liked it. You can also visit me at my website called www.cheapnailswithvanna. It has awesome content on there to help you stay frugal with your next manicure. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye!